This is part two. I'm walking back home from my vehicle. Walking back to the house. Wish me luck. Hope I don't fall again. And yes, people, I fell in the snow. Ha ha ha. Laugh now. To my cousin Tamika, this is what you're going to have to look forward to when you get a vehicle. So I'm coming up on the main street. Main Street looks pretty good. So for now, gotta put you on pause. Gotta attempt to climb up those steps again. This time without falling. Okay, I made it across the street. Now I'm walking up these steps. And I didn't fall, people. Walking up the steps. Alright. Let's pray I don't fall. I'm good so far. I'm on the track. I already came. And the wind is hitting me on my face. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm almost to the door. Y'all see that wind? Y'all see that? It's all in my face. Retreat, retreat. I'm in dry land.